Welcome to Valvoil's Product and Application webinar. My name is Stefano Tagliavini and I belong from Application and Sales Department. During this short webinar, I will link you about our range of electric direct-driven valves, and we will go in deep inside our SDE family and know much more about the newborn, the SDX 060. Where shall we locate these valves inside our wide valve portfolio? With a particular focus on the electric control, standard open center valves currently covers a maximum flow about 160 liters per minute. The SDE completes the range of the low and medium flow area. Then we need for sure mention our post-compensated flow sharing range of valves made by the DPX and the EX family, covering a maximum flow about 400 liters per minute. Last but not the least, is also available a pre-compensated range in which, starting from today, SDX 060 allows us to fill the gap for the application in need of a small and medium range of flow. So, making a zoom into the previous picture, we are speaking about flow capacity available directly on the working port of 30 liters per minute for what concerns the SDE 030, 60 liters per minute for the SDE 060, and 35, maximum 40 liters per minute for the SDX 060. What is the core characteristic of the SDE family? Well, for sure, the simplicity of the circuit. In fact, we are missing free flow gallery. Let's say that we can think at these valves like a seat-up style, but bankable. Both valves can be controlled in on-off way only. Also very important, the wide range of customizations available with dedicated castings or flanged bodies. What is now offering the SDX 060 in addition to the previous valve? Let's have a look to the working sections. SDX is a pre-compensated LS valve that handles the LS signal through the spool and can offer various options with and without the local compensator. Second core characteristic is the proportional direct control. SDX can handle comfortably a nominal flow rating in the inlet port P up to 100 liters per minute, so to have a nominal flow about 35, maximum 40 liters per minute on the working ports. Made in steel and cast iron, can work at maximum pressure about 300 bar. Very high level of customization is possible with a dedicated steel-made inlet covers. We herewith show you only the standard ones in open and closed center style, but thanks to our experience in hitch valves, can be studied various solutions because of customer needs. As well as the SDE family, SDX can be completed with different top flange dedicated blocks like anti-shock valves with cross operation, check valves, solenoid operated check valves, and counterbalance. But how can I pilot these valves? There's a wide range of solutions that you can find in Valvoil. In fact, we are producing a lot of handles and joysticks in different type that can be in CAN bus or analog version. Additionally, Valvoil do also produce electronic control units, so to convert the voltage signal into a current one and finally pilot the valve. Please do also note that our electronic control units are also programmable. Example of application could be really so many. For instance, in agriculture, we can mention the use of this valve for sprayers or baling and wrapping machines. Otherwise, thinking about forestry machines, we can locate this valve in several different positions because of the most convenient place inside the machine. Herewith, we have another example of an SDX 060 especially studied for the forklift application. Here I'd like to point your attention especially on the inlet cover, in which you can see that there are special features dedicated, like logic element able to let the valve work both in closed and open center style, and also a dedicated logic element for the lift down speed control. The other functioning of the machine, I'm speaking about tilt and auxiliary, are made by standard working sections. The availability now of the new SDX 060 offers several possibilities, so to maximize the level of functionalities available on the machine, and so to mix different solutions in the same valve with working section compensated or not. And also, we cannot forget that we can customize the valve with a special inlet cover so to reach the final working desired. At the end, the key word is always flexibility. So the flexibility of the valve so to reach the successful working inside the application. So to know something more regarding these products, I kindly invite you to visit our webpage valvoil.com, in which you can find much more details about. Please do also follow us in LinkedIn, always updated with all the news. Thanks to the instruments that is called Virtual Chat, you can also book a meeting directly with me, in which I will be glad to answer to all your questions and all your doubts about. I really thank again you for joining today's webinar, and I wish you a very nice and exciting exhibition experience.